Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this gooey butter cake. Okay, so I've included the prices of all of the ingredients on the screen again, and as you can see, they're not terribly expensive. I think the most expensive ingredient was the butter, and that's because it was 4 sticks of butter because butter comes in pounds. So you could divide that by 4 and then, you have your price of what it is for just 1 stick of butter. Anyway, so this is really a kind of inexpensive dessert. It was really, really easy to make and it was quite delicious, especially with a scoop of ice cream. And there's some variations that you could make to this to elevate it. You could add some orange zest or lemon zest, or different kinds of like fruits or berries or whatever to the topping layer to make it fancier. I think it would be fun to do chocolate cake instead of vanilla cake for the bottom. That would be interesting. And then if you left the top the same, then you got like a chocolate vanilla kind of combo. That would be really good. Anyway, so there's like a lot of things that you can do to this to make it more fun or more exciting or whatever, but I think it's just a really great springtime dessert. And yeah, it really didn't take that much time. So I'm basically making the base layer right now. You just take your cake mix and mix it with butter until it kind of will form in your hand, and then you can pat it down in the bottom. And then I'm making the top, which is where the ooey gooey part comes in. And you just pour this on top and then you bake it, and it's that simple. You don't want to mix the 2 layers just because the top layer kind of soaks into the bottom layer and it all kind of congeals. Congeals isn't exactly the right word. Anyways, it's really great. That's what I'm trying to say. It's really delicious. It's quite sweet, but it's perfect for when you have to go to a party or something and you get to make the dessert. So this will also serve a lot of people. It makes, I baked it in like a casserole sized dish, like a 9x13, and this would probably serve at least 10 people. So this is great. This is like the perfect recipe for a party, which explains where I got this. I got it in one of those church cookbook type things. It's an old one that I found at like a yard sale or something, and I saw this recipe and I was like, that sounds pretty good and it would be perfect for spring. So here we are. So it's made for a lot of people. Anyways, so I've put the gooey part on top, and then I put it in the oven, and you bake it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, and there it is. If you want to see more, be sure to check out loavesandishes.net, and thanks for watching. Bye!